Hello everyone. In this video lecture, you will study the internal benchmarking. If you want to know what is benchmarking in detail, then refer to my previous lecture, What is Benchmarking? The link is given in the I mark above and also in the description below. Now back to internal benchmarking. Internal benchmarking involves benchmarking businesses or operations within the same organization. That means comparing work practices to the best similar practices within the organization. In most large firms, similar activities are performed in different operating divisions. For example, Bell Labs trained engineers to copy the work and social habits of the best performers, such as managing work in basket, accepting constructive criticism, seeking help instead of wasting time. Let's try to understand these three habits one by one. In-basket technique, also known as an in-basket exercise, involves placing a range of concerns or issues in an in-basket to familiarize employees with their jobs. The in-basket exercise is designed to test the candidate's adaptive thinking, problem analysis, judgment, administrative abilities, planning, organizing, delegating, and integrative skills. While under pressure, dealing with memos, emails, requests, messages, handwritten notes, etc. Constructive criticism is a feedback method that offers specific actionable recommendations. It is not based on assumptions. Good constructive feedback facilitates positive outcomes and creates a positive working environment. It also provides a safe space where a person feels secure enough to ask questions, seek help, and share ideas. Seeking help instead of wasting time means don't hesitate to ask for help in difficult situations. It is good to ask help from your colleagues to find the solution for the problem arrived, instead of wasting time to experiment with the problem individually. Engineers who went through the Bell Labs program boosted their productivity by 10% in 8 months. Wasn't it amazing? Now, let's take a look over the advantages of internal benchmarking. Internal comparisons have several advantages such as accessibility of sensitive data and information, availability of data, communication with internal groups. Accessibility of sensitive data and information is a vital advantage in case of internal benchmarking. This is because in case of internal benchmarking, we do comparisons within the organization, and there is no issue of confidentiality or the breach of data security. Availability of data is no doubt an unmatched advantage for internal benchmarking. This is because the standardized data is often readily available whenever required for internal comparisons, and it usually takes less time and resources to collect the data. Communication within internal groups is also considerable for internal benchmarking. Dialogue with internal groups generates immediate improvement ideas, and it is easy to define common problems that help to focus external inquiries. An external inquiry is an elementary process that sends data or control information outside the application boundary. Now, we study in which case the internal benchmarking is appropriate or suitable. Internal benchmarking is most appropriate when several business units within the same organization exemplify the best practices, and management want to spread this expertise quickly throughout the organization. That's it in this video. I'm sure you have got the idea of internal benchmarking clearly. Like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you have any question or suggestions, then drop them into the comment box below. Subscribe Shake Hand with Life YouTube channel and hit the bell for my latest video lectures. This is Narendra Sharma signing off. We'll see you soon in the next episode of Shake Hand with Life with a new topic. Thanks for watching.